Hey everybody, thanks for watching our how-to video series. Today we're going to show you how to use the appointment reminder feature on Simple Texting. This will allow you to sync appointments on your Google Calendar into your Simple Texting account. Let's see how it works. First, go to Apps, then click Reminders, connect Google Calendar. Google will ask your permission for access to your calendar. Click Allow Access. Now click Add Reminders and pick the calendar you want to use for reminders. Click Continue and you can configure your calendar. First, set your company name that will appear at the beginning of each message. Next, set how far in advance you want people to be reminded. Let's say 1 hour before the appointment. Here, you can set the hours when customers should be reached so you're not texting them in the middle of the night. You can even prompt them to confirm, cancel, or reschedule via text message. This will automatically update their appointment in Google Calendar. You can also be notified by email of their response by entering your email here. Click Save and it's all set up. If you click on Reminder Messages, it will show any upcoming appointments that we've pulled in. If we want to add another appointment, it's as simple as adding one in Google Calendar. You have to put the phone number in the subject line. That's how it knows to send an event. Let's say 941-555-3333 and put Jane Smith. Create the event and set it for 2 p.m. Now we press Synchronize Events, go back to Reminder Messages, and there it is, scheduled. As always, if you need any help, reach out to the support team by clicking the blue chat bubble in the top right. Thanks for watching and happy texting!